Hello, Jim Tech Buzz. A couple of new products in from Samsung. No, not from them. We bought them ourselves. We don't kiss enough ass for them to get review units off them. So we've got the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and we have got the Watch 6 Classic 47mm Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. And there you go, 47. And we've got the Flip 5 in lavender. We've got the fabric band as well, and we've also got some cases, so we'll stay tuned for some reviews of them soon. So first up, we'll start with the smallest one, I suppose. We'll have a look at the fabric band, and that doesn't want to come off there, so I'm going to have to get the knife out and see what this looks like. So in the box you get your band, some information, and that's it there. So that's your band. You'll pop it on and see what it looks like when it's on the watch itself, but seems pretty nice anyway. Colour I'm not too sure on, but we'll be getting more bands in for review, so stay tuned. And yeah, that's the fabric band there. It's not the thickest band in the world either, but nonetheless looks nice, so we'll move that out of the way. Next up is the phone, so let's have a look. Right, pull all this off here. No, we'll actually leave that on. So in here we have got our SIM removal tool, USB-C, USB-C, and your quick start guides. That's really it. No charge and block case, anything like that, which is scabby. I'm going to call that out now. There's phone companies that are half the price, a third of the price, giving out phones with cases, covers, you name it, for half the price. There's one of the brands there, and that's pretty much it. So let's pop that aside and take this off. And we've already had a quick peep at it, you know we did. So that's the phone there in all its glory. So we've got our cameras up front here, flash. You can see that display underneath there, which looks like an SD card or a file folder. Let's have a look at this hinge. So that's the hinge there, and that's what it's like closed over. This is what it's like from the side, the bottom. So you got your mics and you've got your speaker, your card there, SIM card popping there, and you've got your fingerprint sensor here and your unlock button and your volume toggles. So that's what they look like up a bit on the close side. And opened out looks like this. So let's have a closer look at this folding up. You can still see the crease, barely though, and you can see the way they've got this little design here on the hinge. So when you start to bend, you can see there what happens. So this is what it looks like here. So we just put our information in there. I'm just going to unlock and show you what it looks like there with the screen on, and you can see down here what it looks like there. And let's have a look at the front display. So that's pretty much it there. Very much a fingerprint magnet, and nice though, very nice phone to hold in the hand. Really solid. You can feel how solid that phone is, and you've actually got face unlock on the front as well, which is excellent. Or you can put your pin in, whichever suits yourself. And you can swap over your widgets here on your screen, and you can add and so on. So we've all those different faces there. think I'll go with this one. And that's pretty much it in there. Very nice. So it'll be interesting to see how this works out now with all the other apps up front and all that over time, how we get see how they work, because apparently there's only several apps that'll work or optimize, you could say, for this home screen. But we're going to go with this one for now and see how this one fares out, because it matches the watch, which I like this watch face. Right, so let's have a look inside the phone while we're here. So we go into settings. You have got your Samsung account, your connections, connected devices, modes and routines, sounds and vibration. Let's go in here, vibrate when ringing. So you've got your system sound, touch interactions, no, I want the volume up high. And in that, you've got touch dialing, Samsung keyboard charging, screen unlock. And you've got your volumes, so always up to the max. So you can hear the speakers pretty decent there as well, which is nice. We're obviously going to be changing all them to my own customised tones. So you've got notification, vibration, so you have TikTok. Nice strong motor in there. We'll leave it on basic, and vibration intensity. You have different levels in there. Sound and quality effects. Right, so just say allow. So you've got Dolby Atmos for gaming, equalizer, UHQ upscaler, and adapt sound. So that's pretty much what's inside that folder. Display. So you've light and dark, main screen, adaptive brightness, motion smoothness, eye comfort shield, screen mode is vivid, font size and style, screen zoom, full screen apps, camera cutout. What's that? Oh yeah, you can hide the cutout up on top. And you've got your easy mode, edge panels, navigation bar, accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, slow charging information, and screensaver. So that's pretty much that. And there you've got your themes then. Okay, so we'll be picking a theme while we're here. No, cancel. We'll have a look at the themes later, maybe when we get a bit more time with it, but it's nice to see you have themes there to pick from. So you've wallpapers as well, which is cool. Icons, so you get icon packs, AODs, and then you've got a menu in here. So that's in the Samsung Galaxy themes. It's annoying me at the moment. Go back. Right, home screen. So you've got home screen now, 4x5, 4x6, 3x4. Add media to home page, show apps, lock screen, apps to new home screen. App icon badges, swipe, rotate landscape, about, contact us, lock screen. So you've got those options there. Smart lock, secure lock settings, touch and hold. You've got your face unlock as well, and this pin and pattern, and your fingerprint for unlocking as well, just so you know that. So your security and privacy, your biometrics, as I mentioned there. You have got also Samsung Pass, secure folder, secure Wi-Fi, blockchain key store, install unknown apps, and other security settings. Your location, safety and emergency, accounts and backup, Google, advanced features, digital well-being, battery and device care, apps, general management, and software updates, all that kind of stuff. So that's what we've got there, and that's pretty much it. I'll be switching to Swift key. So you've got your tips and about phone then down there. So that's pretty much it on that department. Right, so swipe left if you're Google, swipe down if you're quick settings, and of course you can edit them and bring up here Samsung Wallet. your apps. So that's all the apps there. And that's pretty much it in that department. So in the camera department, okay. So you've got portrait, photo, video, and more. So what's in more? You've got pro video, single take, night, food, panorama, super slow-mo, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait, and director's view. Bixby's vision and AR zone is in there as well. So we'll look at them later on. So you've got your 1 and your 5 on your photos. And you've got your flash. You've got 3.4, 916, 1:1, and 922. So that's pretty much it in that department. In the settings, we've got scan QR, watermark, save selfies as previewed, auto FPS, swipe shutter button to take burst shots, shot suggestions, and screen optimizer. There in the intelligent features. No, we don't want the location. And that's pretty much it in there. You've got other options in there as well. So you've got filters and face. You've got your reverse camera there. And that's pretty much it in the camera settings. So if we go on to video, see your little Google Lens icon there. So you've got FHD. So you have 60, 30, and 60 on FHD, 30, and HD 30. So 60 UHD and 30, and all them other ones there as well. So you've got super steady. You've got your other options in there. With super steady's on, you can't use that. There are your filters, and that's pretty much it in there. So your video is auto FPS video stabilization, advanced video options, high bit rate, HDR10 plus 360 audio, tracking autofocus, grid lines, location tags, shooting methods, settings to keep, vibration, privacy, permissions, reset camera about, and contact us. So that's pretty much that in the camera department there as well. So I'm just going to quickly turn this around. So that's 22.9, just 16.9 is what I normally use. So you've got your portrait as well, photo. So give me something small I can take a picture of. And I'm going to take a quick portrait of that as well. So let's look how they come out. So that's that there, and that's just the normal. So pretty good looking camera for the moment. So you've got albums and stories down on the bottom there as well. And you've got other options in here: recyclable, location, shared, videos, separate, suggestions, recent, and favorites. And of course our settings. So your full screen scrolling, autoplay, customization service, select albums, merge, shared album notifications, recycle, show place names, privacy, poly permissions, and about, gallery, and contact us. So that's basically it in there for the camera and video. So there's a bit going on there. You have lots of other features in here in the rest of the Samsung suite there. So you have panorama, hyperlapse as well, director's view, portrait, super slow, lots of good stuff there, nice sight as well. All that kind of stuff is in there. So that's pretty much just a quick first look at the phone anyway. So yeah, so there's the screen now on the front. Alright, let's go on to the watch. And what these have peely tabs off. Right, there we go. There is the watch, and in here we have got paperwork. That's it. And our cable. So you got your proprietary puck or wireless charger, which actually reminds me now to test some of the wireless chargers I have here to see if this watch will work on it. Both USB-C, which is a good thing. So I'm just going to pop that there, leave this here for now. Here is the watch. It's a big boy. So just looking at the strap compared to this one, actually not bad at all. Nearly the same thickness. So this is the watch. We've the rotating bezel on here, or two keypads or buttons either side, or on this side here. Easier to move straps this time around, as you can see, and all the important bits and pieces are here on the back. So we'll get it set up and turned on and give you a look at that then later on when we test it out. So if you need to know anything about it, do let us know. And it has on the strap ML and 20mm, just for those who want to know, in case you're wondering, for strap sizes. But it looks really nice indeed. Nice finish to it, and look forward to testing this out as well, along with the phone obviously. But that's a quick first look at the Samsung Watch 6 Classic and the Flip 5, which we'll be using now for a while, and see how we get on with them. I do like the flip phones. The phones are too big for me at the minute, but I do like the flip phone. This is my third one now, I think, and my third watch as well actually. So let's see how things have improved since the previous versions that we've had. And any questions on either of these, do let us know in the comments below, and we'll gladly answer them. And we might just do a review later on after some time, but I usually don't review my own stuff that I buy, so, but I might just give me thoughts later on anyway, because it won't be a bad idea to do so, I suppose. Get a real perspective of things, and you'll actually see the device in our hands rather than stock image reviews as well. And you know, we have them, so you know we're going to use them and test them. These are the daily drivers now for the next couple of weeks till the iPhone comes along and whatever else Apple decides to drop. But that's it for now. So stay tuned for cases and straps coming for these new devices here from Samsung. And if you want to know anything about them, don't be afraid to ask any questions. We always answer the questions too. And if you want us to get any products in or accessories for these, ask us as well. We'll get them for you, and we'll have a review for them. So we'll talk to you soon in the next one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.